Let's look at how we can find a greater value in comparison from two tensors. For example, if we have a tensor x that has three values, so tf dot constant, and this has the values 1, 2, and 3, and then we have another tensor y that has the values 10, -1, and 3. And now if you're trying to find element y, is try to compare the values with x and y and find out which ones are greater, we could type z is equal to tf dot math dot greater x comma y. Then we can print z dot numpy, and this should give us the boolean output where we are checking if the values in x are greater than values in y. So 1 is not greater than 10, and so we get a false. Then we have the second set where we are checking if 2 is greater than -1. It is, and so we get a true. And finally 3 is equal to 2, is not greater than 3, and so we get a false value right here. In addition to this, there is another function along the similar lines, which is called tf.math.greater underscore equal. So what we are looking for here is we're looking to see if x values in x are greater than or equal to the values in y. And for that, we'll copy the same code that we have up above and paste it here. And then we can change this greater to greater greater underscore equal. So let's put a underscore equal, and now we can see again boolean output where this last value has changed, because even though that value of 3 is not greater than the other value of 3, it definitely is equal, and therefore we get true here in the output. That was it for this video. I hope to see you all in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.